Hello, friends. It is essential to continuously stay updated with industry trends and the evolving job market to understand the required skills in that particular workspace. Today, I am going to tell you the most demanding digital skills required in the UAE market these days. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. AI and MI-powered applications are increasingly used for process optimization and automation across various industries. Digital marketing. In the digital era, companies need professionals who are proficient in handling online channels for marketing and brand promotion. Cloud computing. Individuals who can effectively utilize cloud platforms like Google Cloud, Azure, and AWS are in huge demand as more companies migrate their operations to the cloud. Augmented and virtual reality. These technologies find applications in gaming, education, training, and entertainment, creating a demand for skilled developers and designers. Data analytics and science. People who are skilled in analyzing and interpreting large data sets for business decision-making purposes. These insights are of great importance in today's data-driven world. Cybersecurity. In the evolving world of digital adoption, there are a lot of possibilities of cybersecurity threats. Organizations require experts to safeguard their systems and data from such potential threats. Mobile app development. Increase in the number of cellular users in today's world. The demand for skilled mobile app developers continues to grow day by day. Blockchain. Expertise in blockchain technology is increasingly important in sectors like digital identity management, finance, and supply chain. Keep in mind that the technological landscape can change rapidly. So a digital professional must have to keep an eye on the latest market trends in order to compete for better opportunities. If you have any queries, ask the Academist. Thank you.